So I want to real quickly point out some of the reference materials that are up here that we've been putting on the shelf. So you've got some sets of various different buying guides and huge catalogs and whatever. But more importantly, there are a few books back here, some machine shop practice books, and this is considered pretty much the definitive how to do machining book. There's also this machinery's handbook that nobody likes. I don't know why it's here. Anywho, there's also these things. These things are really cool. They're actually casts from a company called Smooth-On, and what they do is they make RTV molding stuff. It's a real-time vulcanization, so you can very readily make anything you want out of these materials. And there are videos on their website on exactly how to do that, and I'd be happy to show you some videos that I have of me doing it as well. But it's cool, it's like this one you can see is very, very flexible, kind of sticky. This one's a little bit harder, this one's very hard. Then up here, there a different type of material, some chemical resistant stuff. And there's some really, really hard plastics that are very solid. So these are a really, really cool thing to be able to come into the shop, say you want to make something that's kind of an abstract shape, and you can use these to kind of decide what material you want to use. And you can order it online. You can go to there's a place called the Engineer Guy nearby that sells this stuff. They've got a huge amount of it, and you can really make some very, very nice looking prototypes very, very quickly. There's also some other stuff up here that just shows what you can do with various different silicons, different finishes, how they affect stuff, just like a little laser cut card on anodized aluminum. There's also this thing. This thing's really neat. It shows you how different injection molded plastics come out. So each thing is labeled, and they all have different surface finishes on them. So you can get a good idea as to what different things are going to be like and how they're going to react. And so it tells you right on there, that is HDPE. So that's pretty cool as well. And there's also something here about designing injection moldable parts. Some various rules that's just on a little cube. So that's kind of handy as well. And then obviously you have a computer, and that's the best thing ever.